Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to hard reset your iPhone XR. If your phone has become unresponsive or it doesn't respond to your swipe movements, then this is the video for you. There are times where you are in the middle of opening an application or the application crashes and your entire phone freezes, and you would want to do a hard reset so that way you force the iPhone to reset. And with the iPhone XR, there's no home button and everything is done basically through your swipe movements up and down. But I found a way to reset the phone if it's not responding. Normally, to shut down the phone, you will press the volume up button and then the power button and you hold it. And then you will get that. But there's times where this screen would not come up. So in order for you to reset the phone, then would be to do the following sequence. So the sequence is you press the volume up, volume down, and then you hold the power button. So let me go ahead and go through that. So you gotta do these movements quickly. So you press the volume up, down, and then hold the power button, and then keep holding the power button. And as you can see, the phone reset or rebooted or turned off, and then now it's rebooting again as normal. So basically, once you do that, the phone will come back to your sign-in screen, and that's how you hard reset your iPhone XR. And the process again is press the volume up and down, and then hold the power button until the phone turns off. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.